Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about an airdrop called Teneo Protocol. If you haven't joined yet, you can join now. The joining process is very easy and free. You just need to run it in your browser background and it generates points automatically. This project is still in early phase. As you can see, it's currently in a funding round and has already raised 3 million funding and backed by some tier 2 or tier 3 investors. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they have around 345k followers at the time of making this video. The best part, they have active there and share information and updates, which is a good sign for a project. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now let's move on how you can join this airdrop. So the first step is you need to download their browser extension. I'll provide the link in the description. As you can see, they have already have 500k users, so this is a huge. So let's download and install the extension, then open the extension and click join now. So now click create an account. I'll provide the direct joining link in the description so you can land on this page directly. Now fill up the form and click create account. After that, verify your email. So go to your email, copy the code, paste it here, then click verify email. Once it's verified, use your email and password to log in. So finally you will land on the main dashboard. Now click on the profile section. Here you need to link your wallet, but for that you need 100 heartbeat points. This is one of our accounts. As you can see, we have completed all the tasks. So basically here you need to connect your MetaMask wallet, then verify your X, Discord and Telegram account. So as you can see, we have lots of points and you must have 100 HP points to verify and connect your wallet. Finally, you can share your referral link with friends to earn more points. For updates, join our Telegram channel. We'll provide all the updates there. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.